20 sub-special Hashira tier list my opinion. First up is Ju. I'd give Ju an A tier. He's cool, but not the best. Next is Gyume. He's done almost nothing in the anime, and I don't really like his vibe, so I say C tier. Rengoku is an easy S tier for me. He was my favorite Hashira until Swordsmith Village. Next is Mitsuri. She's okay, not really anything special to me. Next is Muichiro, my favorite Hashira. Obanai is pretty cool, but nothing much. A solid B tier. Next is Sanemi. Like Mitsuri and Obanai, nothing too special. Shinobu is fine, but she could be a lot better. The flashiest Hashira also pretty cool, but he's not S tier material. That's the Hashira tier list. Thank you for watching, and comment if you would make any changes.